In this video, you'll learn how to create exterior veneer in ideCAD. We'll cover different veneer types, including lap siding with a gap, lap siding, and terracotta siding. You'll see how to adjust unit height, thickness, gaps, and orientation, and place veneer that automatically detects doors and windows. We'll also edit veneer properties, switch between types, and ensure correct placement for accurate openings. By the end, you'll know how to design professional exterior veneer systems in ideCAD. Let's create exterior veneer. Click on the Exterior Veneer command under the Facade tab. When the command is activated, a toolbar appears with options to select different cladding types and to change the direction of the exterior veneer using the Swap Side command. By clicking the Settings icon in the toolbar, the Exterior Veneer Settings dialog is opened. This dialog includes the Type, Unit Settings, and General Settings sections. The changes can be monitored simultaneously in the Model Preview on the right side of the dialog and in the Schematic section, drawing on the left side. There are 3 different types of exterior veneer available. Lap siding with gap, a surface cladding type with horizontal joints. Lap siding, typically used to represent with siding applied with overlapping techniques. Terracotta siding, a jointed cladding type with both horizontal and vertical joints, commonly used in ceramic facade systems. Each exterior veneer type has its own unit settings. In the Unit Settings section, the options vary depending on the selected facade type, while in the General Settings section, the same options are available for all facade types. The appropriate type can be selected and the necessary adjustments can be made. For the lap siding with gap type, parameters such as unit height, thickness, top gap, bottom gap, gap thickness, and part count can be adjusted in the Unit Settings section. For the lap siding type, parameters such as unit height, out thickness, in thickness, gap, and part count can be adjusted in the Unit Settings section. For the terracotta siding type, parameters such as unit width, unit height, vertical gap, thickness, gap thickness, horizontal gap, vertical part count, and horizontal part count can be adjusted in the Unit Settings section. The part count of the lap siding with gap type is increased from 2 to 10. The change is instantly reflected in the preview windows, and the exterior veneer is updated. The unit height is then set to 200, and the part count is adjusted to 4. The exterior veneer is updated simultaneously in both the Model Preview and the Section Drawing Preview. There are 3 options for defining the height of the exterior veneer. The Story Height option uses the defined story height as the reference. The Unit Count option uses the value entered in the Unit Height field of the Settings dialog. The Value option uses the value typed directly into the box as the reference height. In addition, parameters such as elevation, vertical shift, 3D display settings including materials, as well as drawing color and line type can be adjusted from this dialog. The Swap Side option changes the orientation of the exterior veneer. The Show Side Indicator option displays the direction arrow of the exterior veneer in planned drawings. The Is Under Jambs option ensures that door and window openings are cut correctly when jambs are defined. The Show Material in 3D option makes the exterior veneer material visible in the 3D model preview. Finally, the Lay Textures vertical option arranges the material texture vertically. Let's draw a lap siding with gap type exterior veneer. Draw the exterior veneer just like drawing a wall by defining the start and end points. Press the spacebar to switch the direction of the exterior veneer. The arrow shown in the plan view indicates the facing direction. Set it outward and right-click to complete the operation. After placement, double-click to open the settings, then set the height to 1,500 centimeters and set the elevation to -300 centimeters. By clicking OK, the exterior veneer is automatically placed on the defined area. As you may have noticed, openings are automatically created for the windows on the wall. This is because the exterior veneer in ideCAD is defined as a smart object. It automatically detects and updates itself according to any doors or windows on the wall it is applied to. For example, when an existing window is deleted, the exterior veneer automatically removes the corresponding opening. Likewise, when a new window is placed, a matching opening is instantly created in the exterior veneer. The type of the placed exterior veneer can also be changed afterward. For example, switch to lap siding. Make any adjustments as needed to refine the exterior veneer settings. When the settings are updated, the change is immediately reflected in the drawing area. To create a terracotta type exterior veneer, click on the Exterior Veneer command. From the toolbar, select the terracotta type. Click on the required points on the facade to place the exterior veneer. Double-click on the veneer to open its settings dialog and make the necessary adjustments. There is an important point to keep in mind. The exterior veneer must be placed directly adjacent to the wall it is applied to. If the exterior veneer is positioned even slightly away from the wall, the program cannot detect the doors and windows on that wall, and the corresponding openings are not created in the cladding. Therefore, the exterior veneer should always be defined in direct contact with the wall to ensure that door and window openings are generated correctly. Thus, the process of creating the exterior veneer has been completed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the knowledge base for more tips. See you in the following video.